In previous versions of Laravel, it was recommended to use Homestead to set up your local environment. Homestead is basically a virtual machine that comes with all the different services you need to start creating a Laravel application like MySQL, PHP, Apache, and many others. But Laravel Sail is not the recommended tool to set up your local environment. Sail uses Docker to create containers to provide the same services you need for running an application. The main difference between containers and virtual machines is that containers virtualize the operating system and virtual machines virtualize the hardware. So virtual machines require a lot more resources from your machine and usually make it slow and unstable. The documentation mentions that no Docker experience is required, but I think it's worth it to take some time to learn the basics. Okay, so now let's install Sail. The only requirement is to have Docker installed. So first, let's quickly install Docker. Then we need to run this command on the terminal. For this project, we'll create an Instagram-like app, so let's change example app to Instapic. After all the packages are installed, we can now cd into the Instapic dir and run the Sail app command. This could take some time the first time, but once it's ready, you should be able to see the Laravel welcome page if you open localhost in the browser. And that's it for this video. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.